Dear God, if you hear God, make the fire disappear when they stare God. Take away my fear when they interfere God. Do you fear God? Cause I fear God. And in my backyard, that's a dear God. And that's a horse ranch. And to my core fans, keep repping me. Do it to the death of me. X in the box, cause ain't nobody checking me.
I'm at a point in my life right now where I'm okay with what I've been through, and I'm ready for what's to come. I understand that everything I went through built what I'm looking at in the mirror, and that person is strong, smart, wise, intelligent.
Why I'm so happy? God is good. Life is great. Why you not happy?
I don't blame people for disappointing you. I blame yourself for trusting them. I don't blame people for disappointing you.
And if you want it, if I hate you, fuck you.